Yeah, it was off. So I'll select the offset, and we have to specify the lower distance, that is 45. So enter the 45 distance, select this horizontal line, drag down, click. Okay, and above we have to draw a center line at 49.5. So I will select again offset 45.9, 49.5, right? 9.5, enter, then select this center line, drag up. And another line is there at 61.5 okay, 61.5 above. So I will create that too. So select offset, distance is 61.5, enter, and select this middle line, drag up and left click. So I will edit these lines before starting because it may create confusion. So I will edit these lines. Okay, by using grip I have edited these lines. Now we have to create circular portions at given centers. We have created all the centers, so we will draw the circular portions. Now we have to draw the circles of 15 So I will select circle command and I will draw the circles. Now at the bottom we have to draw 15 15 at both the ends. I'll select the zero layer, and there are the circle of 15 radius. Again repeat, right click, repeat, and you can draw the 15 circle at this corner. Okay, we have created these two circles. Then we have to create another circle of 15 here. So I will draw the circle of 15 at this corner. Then another circle is there of 13.5 radius at this top edge. So we have created all the circles. Now we have to create one another outer circle of R48. Okay, radius of 48 is given. That circle we have to create. So we will create this circle of radius 48 like this circle is there. Now we have to create a circle at this point of 9 radius of 9 So we will create circle of radius having 9 I will trim that circle. Okay, we have to trim this circle's inside part, and we have to trim the part of this 48 circle too. So like that we have created. We have to edit this by using grep method. You can edit this center lines. You can reduce the size of this center line to avoid the confusion. Okay, so we have created this. We can we have to draw the circle here too. The radius is given 7.5, and we can make the tan radius circle. Tan radius circle we are having. So we will use at this corner. So we will use this tan radius type, tangent point on this circle, tangent point on this circle, and radius is 7.5. Okay, yeah. In the left corner there is radius of 7.5. So we will use that radius of 7.5. So we have created this circular portion. So we will trim this too. Okay, then we will join this horizontal line between two quadrants of the circle. So we have to join this horizontal line between the quadrant. So I will join it, and I have to trim this portion. I will select the cutting edge. You have to define the cutting edge properly so you can trim exact portion. So here to trim this arc is the cutting edge, and this horizontal line will be the cutting edge. So we have created there. Now we'll move this side. We have to draw one circle of 7.5 here, and that circle is tangential to this 9 circle. Okay, so we have to create by using this center as a 9 circle. So we will draw the center radius circle by using this center point. We have to create a 9 circle, and now we have to use tan radius circle, tan radius, uh, tangent to this circle, tangent to this circle. Okay, and the radius is 7.5 again. So we have created this. Sorry, it is tangent to the line we define. So we have to zoom in here, and we have to use tan carefully. So tan on the circle, and radius is 7.5. Now it is clear. Okay, now we will use the trim cutting edges and this portion. Now to trim this circle, below circle, you can use this cutting edge as an arc, and this horizontal edge, enter, and inside part you can trim. Now you have to use trim for this circle too. So it is connected to this 48 radius circle. So I will use again trim, and I will select this arc as a cutting edge, and another cutting edge is this circle. So enter, and remove this part and remove this part. So we have done with the trimming part. Now we have to trim this lower portion of the circle too. So there is no circle of 48 mm. So we will trim this part too. So we have to select this cutting edge as a arc, and another part is this arc. So enter and trim this portion. So we have created this lower part. Okay, and 10 minutes or more we will complete this part. So we have completed till the radius of 9 mm. Then again we have to create radius of 6 mm, and which is tangent to this circle and this circle. So I will create tan radius circle at this portion. So tangent on this circle, tangent on this circle, and radius is 6 mm. So we have generated a circle there, and I will trim the part. Select the cutting edge, another cutting edge this, and we have to trim this portion. So we have created there one of arc. Another we have to draw the straight line from the quadrant point of the top circle. Okay, from this we have to draw the horizontal. Ortho mode should be on. So drag it over the circle, and now use trim to get an exact point on that circle. Okay, yeah, delete this portion. To get an exact point, you have to trim there. Then you are having cutting edges to this circle, so you can use trim on this circle. The cutting edge is this arc and this horizontal edge. Enter and trim this portion. So you have trimmed all this part. Now you can see there is small arc of radius 8, which is tangent to this horizontal and circle. So again we have to use the tan radius circle, which is tangent to this horizontal line, and this circle and radius is 8 mm. So we have to create this tan circle. Again we will use the trim command, trim to this arc and enter, trim this portion. Now we have to trim the line, so we will use this arc and trim. So we have generated this part. Again we have to move further. There is a radius of 22.5, and circle is tangent to this circle and this 48 mm circle. So again tan radius, tangent to this circle, tangent to this circle, and radius is given 22.5. So 22.5 is the radius, and generate that circle. So we will use again trim, cutting edge is this circle, enter and trim. Now we have to trim that circular portion inside it. So we'll select the arc and this arc and trim this part. Okay, so we have generated this part, and we have to trim this circular section. So we'll use the cutting edges as this arcs, and we will trim the part. So we have generated outline of that part, and we have to draw the center line to these circles. Okay, to these two circles you have to draw the line, and now you can edit the grips. You can draw the lines up to the circular portions. Just hit the grips. Okay, like that we have created the whole object. So now Control A, right click, select the properties, and we have to increase the line type scale to see the proper lines. So there is a default line type 1. There should be a 8. Okay, select the 8, enter, and close this window. It's not changing because we have saved this line type scale in the template file. So we have the center lines. So like that we have completed this part, and we have used multiple commands in this part. So all of you got this drawing, how we created, how we use different types of the circles. Then we have used trim, we have used polar array, then we have used how to draw the line at angle. We have used offset to draw the offsetting lines, center lines. And you can take a photo of this, because this drawing not included in our study material, so you can take photograph. Polar array. Okay. Okay, to do the polar array, first we have given condition that this line is at 25 degree from this x positive, so we have created this line at 25 degree. Then we have created one object, that is parent object, and the radius of that parent object is given 6 mm. So I have created the circle at this location of 6 mm. Now this pitch circle is also already created, and now we have to use the polar array. We are having parent object, so select the command polar array and select this parent object, which we have to make at different instances. So I have selected it. Press enter or right click, and then we have to select the center point along which we have to make that array. So the pitch circle's center is there, so I have selected this, and now array editor window will be there, and you have to change the number of items that we required, that 4 items, and press enter. Automatically the between angle will be changed to the 90 degree, and escape to execute that array. So like we can create polar array. Got it, sir? Neha ma'am, got it? Anything else? This session is going to end in within 1 minute. So anything else? What? Show diagram. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. I will share with you in the WhatsApp group. Naming to figure. Yeah, I'm going to explain the dimensions. You are talking about the dimensions, right, Pradeep?